Okay, you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. I know I have not been on in a really long time, but I do want to let you guys know that I decided to purchase the Cremated palette by Jeffree Star. Now, I have not been on YouTube in a very long time. I have not been I've just had a lot of things going on, and I am coming back, but this is going to be a first impressions of this palette. If anybody knows me, it is not about this cremated theme, none of that. This to me is about the colors in the palette, and whoever knows me knows that this is my smoky cup of tea. I mean, it just is. I just cannot tell you guys. If you know me, you know that is the case. So I'm going to go ahead and open it here, and I wanted to share my first impressions with you. I mean, I really do like the marble effect here. I like that, you know, it's like a see-through. It's still plastic there though, so it's not like cut out. But here's the back. Yeah, it just has all the basic information that Jeffree Star stuff usually has. This is not me in support of Jeffree Star. This is not me in support of anything but makeup. So I do like the makeup that lipstick Nick did on him, and the lips, very pretty. I mean, this ashy stuff, I mean, this is just a cool concept, but I do understand the controversy behind it. So let's go ahead and open the palette. Now, this will be my first time seeing it as well, so I'm super excited. So let me have a peek. Okay, that is gorgeous. I mean, these colors are just beautiful. It does have a sheet on it. I'm gonna pick this up and really kind of like look here through each of these colors. So that seems to be a super dark black, like a glittery. There are some little nicks in the palette, but I don't think that's with every palette. Very beautiful cool tone gray, dark, another dark gray. That's more of a cool tone, the Solemnly Swear. I do like the cooler tones in this palette. I'm not such a fan of the olivey tones like that, or this one here, the Morgue. I'm not sure about that one. I don't know, but I will definitely have to try this on. But I do love the gray and the black theme of this. I do love these colors down here. Not huge on that bridal gown, or excuse me, burial gown color. But I do think that like Obituary and Casket Ready and that Death Blow and all that will be beautiful on under the brow. The Obituary probably more of like a base color. That Afterlife is very interesting. It has like this beautiful like shimmer to it. This Diamond Ashes, like, I want to dig into that, you guys. I do. I totally want to swatch that right now. I just think it's gorgeous. So let's give that a little swatch. Oh wow, that is beautiful. So I swatched it on my hand, and oh wow, how beautiful would that be for a highlight, or like an inner corner highlight, or just to put a pop of shimmer on the top of the lid. Beautiful. There's a couple other ones I do want to swatch. This Pallbearer color, and I would like to swatch the Angel of Death color. So let me grab those two on my fingers, and then I will swatch them on my hand. But I'm holding my camera, so there is. Oh wow, the So Shimmery and Creamy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this color here, Pallbearer. Oh, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, guys, so here are these swatches. Wow, that is the Pallbearer color up top, and then that is the Angel of Death in the middle, and they're just beautiful, shimmery, like diamondescent type colors. So anyways, I mean, I'm definitely going to get deeper into this palette, and I did not get the purple palette, but I got a couple of things. I got a couple of mirrors, because I'd never gotten a Jeffree Star mirror before, so I'd gotten a mirror like a couple months ago. I got the purple mirror, the soft lavender mirror, and I got a t-shirt, and you know, like that. But as far as like palettes, this one and the Controversy palette, it's the only two that I've gotten since I've been off of YouTube, which I have not shown you guys my Controversy, you know, review and all that stuff. So that's kind of when I stopped YouTube. So anyways, I just wanted to say hello and show you guys this palette again. a beautiful mirror, really large mirror in here. And this is the Jeffree Star Cremated First Impressions. As always, I mean, the formulas, you guys cannot deny the formulas on this stuff. Again, just beautiful. Beautiful pigmentation, easy to work with, super blendable. His stuff is always so good. So other than the drama that's going on right now, which I do not feel is my place to say anything about because it doesn't have anything to do with me. You know, this is not in support of Jeffree Star. Like I said, this is just in support of makeup in general. And for me, this palette is definitely something that I did not want to miss out on. And, you know, between this one and Blue Blood, like, those are my two realms of happy. So, anyways, I hope to see you guys really soon. And, this may or may not get posted, I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys the Cremated palette in case you haven't seen it in, you know, on a video or whatever. So I miss you guys so much. I just can't even tell you how much I miss you guys. And I promise you I will be back soon. And I love you all, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.